Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about these little mini Christmas trees. You see them everywhere this time of year and they're just $1. We all pick them up and then we get them home and they look a little sad. They need some love, but not to worry. I'm gonna show you how to upgrade these. They're gonna look so special, really pretty, and this is gonna use products that you probably already have at home. To start, I'm getting some receptacles ready to hold my trees. I'm using these little baskets. They're actually apple orchard baskets. They were used for picking apples. I got them at a tag sale, 3 for $1. And the 3 baskets give away my next tip, which is to group these trees together. I find that when you group these inexpensive trees together, they look a little more lush. They look much nicer. And you'll see here, I'm also taking my time pulling the branches apart. I find that really helps these dollar store trees. You want to make them look as full as possible, and you do that by pulling those pieces apart as much as you can. And now that I have the 3, I'm gonna put these scarves in the bottom of the baskets. This is just gonna cover up that bottom part of the tree, the little plastic stand. Those plastic pieces kind of tend to make the tree look not so nice, so I'm covering them up. And now I'm just placing some simple lights on. These lights I already had. They were from the Target Dollar Spot. Dollar Tree sells something like this as well. Those scarves were from the Dollar Tree. All inexpensive items that I already had on hand. I didn't buy anything special for this project, and I'm keeping it really simple. You could add ornaments, but I find that this scaled back decorating with these trees makes them look so simple. Especially, I'm going to dim the lights here and you can see, look how pretty. You've got a little trio of foresty green trees, you've got those lights, you've got that buffalo plaid in the scarf and the baskets. It looks rustic but really charming, really pretty. This would look so nice in so many different areas of your home. So pretty. How pretty is that? I love how this looks. I put this in a little corner of my home, but this would look great on a front porch if you have a covered patio. Really pretty, something you can pull together in just a few moments time. Let me know in the comments below if you liked this. Hit the red subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this. I've got DIY videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I'll see you next time. Bye.